Hello, it's Family Driver. Welcome to another video. Today I will be taking care of the problem which is also the biggest advantage of this car. So as you know, M2 has this massive arches at the back and they look amazing. They add aggression to this car, give it really good stance. However, this is the biggest problem of this car too. The problem is that the front arches are poking out as well. So what's happening is when you drive on the road and there is a stone, it's picked up by the tire and it flies straight past your doors, sometimes actually hits your doors, but most of the times they hit the rear arch. BMW knew about the problem, so that's why all M2s coming out with this bit of PPF, paint protection film, at the rear. However, the problem is that this piece isn't really big enough. It protects a good chunk of your paint. However, there is plenty of signs of stones hitting the area above and before it. So ideally you want to cover whole rear arch in PPF to secure your paint. If you don't want to do that, the other option is to make sure that less stones is flying to the back of your car. The solution would be to introduce some kind of mud flaps, but they would obviously look horrible on M2. So I found a product which is very popular among M2 and M3, M4 owners, and these are the carbon fiber arch guards. They are from Automotive Passion. They cost about 60-70 quid. Once you mount them, they stick out not just at the bottom but mainly on the side, because that's the biggest problem. Because the wheels are so far out, that's where the stones flying, they hitting the side of your car. So the main purpose of them is to stop the stones from flying to the side of your car, not from the bottom. So that's why they are sticking out quite a lot. I'm not the biggest fan of this modification, to be honest. It's not something which you would do to make your car look better, but I think this is the best compromise to actually try to save your paint and not put anything on your car which looks awful. So I'm going to try to install this now. I'm going to show you the process and I'm going to show you how the car looks after the installation. So let's go. So first I have to push in these two pins. Now once we push the pins in, I can take them out. So what you're seeing here, it's not a dirt, it's literally a sanded or stone paint. So there's nothing to clean here. That is actually clean and dry. It is just a horrible looking paint which was completely destroyed by the thousands of stones hitting it. So the next step is to remove the protective layer. Right, so next thing is to install it back in place. That's it. Job done. So the product is installed. It looks okay. I'm not a big fan of it, as I mentioned before. However, this is a functional modification, not a visual modification. I don't believe that there is anyone who would do it just for the look of it. I just don't like it. But as long as it's working and it's stopping the stones from hitting the rear arches, I'm prepared to live with it and accept it. So thank you very much for watching another video. I'm hoping you found it interesting and useful. Please remember, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.